What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today we got ourselves a TORRAS Samsung S23 Plus case. Yes, guys, this phone is not out yet, so I actually don't have an actual phone here with me, but I do have cases that TORRAS has assured me it will fit exactly with the Plus. Yeah, supposedly there's a Plus model and then there's an Ultra model as well. I've done some Ultra model, but not the Plus. Anyway, today we're going to look at their cases. I'm sure it's going to be awesome because TORRAS has been doing a great job with all the cases out there. This is the second time that I've collabed with them doing these cases before phone releases, and they're pretty accurate with their information. Yeah, so they call it the Diamond Clear. Let me just remove this so that you guys can actually see how clear it is. If I were to put this over, yeah, you can actually see through this pretty well. The reason why it's diamond clear is because it's not silicone. Okay, so there are different cases out there, and usually you'll find plenty of the silicone one. These are the diamond clears. It's a combination of it's not glass, but it's plastic. It's hard plastic. So if I were to tap on this, you guys hear that? So yeah, this one right here is pretty much what they call diamond clear, and TORRAS has been releasing this material for all of their cases out there. iPhone, Samsung, I mean, all the cases out there, they've had these models. The thing with this is, if you look at the corners of these cases, they have like these little air bubble right here. Let me see if I can get that in view for you. There we go. It's like little air bubbles on the corner right here, right there, on each corner. The reason why they do that is because, as you know, whenever you drop the phone, for some odd reason, it always lands on the corner of the screen. And usually, whenever it lands on the corner, that means it's just gonna crack. It's always going to crack because the corner is the most, like, I don't know, easily cracked area of the phone, I guess. I have no idea. But yeah, that's why they do those kind of things. They put these air bubbles in there. This thing looks fantastic. And they have assured me that this thing will fit on the S23 Plus that's coming out. Check this out here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yep, right there. There's literally a little, maybe a sensor or a flashlight right there. You look at camera bump wise, this thing really doesn't have any, to be honest with you. So they're not really adding any more thickness to the case, which is great. Which is great. But yeah, button wise. By the way, the size right here, it's a little bit more cushiony, if that's ever a word. So if I was to squeeze this, you see, it feels a little softer than the actual backing. The backing is harder than the side. In terms of like branding and stuff like that, there's a TORRAS like logo right here, but you can hardly see it. Hardly see it. But other than that, everything else, everywhere else, there's no other branding that I see here at all. And then last thing I want to point out is, if you look like right here, there's like tiny little extruding plastic that's coming out right here. Essentially what that does is that if you put your phone on the floor, on the ground, it will it'll give it a little lift, you know, so that it doesn't totally scratch the case, and not to mention like the camera. So yeah, pretty good stuff. It's always good from TORRAS. So yeah, this thing feels solid. If I were to break it like this, I mean, it's pretty hard, this plastic right here. Anyway, that's it right there, guys. That's the S23 case from TORRAS. I hope you guys find this one useful. Hopefully, I'll get like a dummy phone or something like that in to try these cases out. But anyway, until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.